First of all, good afternoon to everyone. Students, today I am going to discuss table. You know, table is very, very important because anyhow you have to display your web page containing table. How you can do it? Only by the help of table tag. There is no certain tools over there that you will use tool. You will use pencil and you will click and drag. Then you will have rows and columns, or you will give number of rows and columns and itself it will create and fit the data. No, you have to use the table tag. And how you will write it? Look at the board. I'm not going to discuss the structure. Okay, you all are aware. Yes, how to start it. Okay, then also I'm starting. First of all, you have to use the HTML. Then you are using head. Then you are using title, table. Then slash title, slash head. Now, this you are writing in each and every place. Okay. Now, I am going to use the body tag. Now, what is the role of body tag? What is the role of body tag? You know, it contains all your information that you want to show to the working area of your web page. Okay, that's why I have used body. Now, what is my first tag? That is table. Student, if I am using table, then my work will not be completed unless I will not go for these all attributes, because I have to beautify my table. And how I can make my table attractive? By using attribute. One more thing, please keep it in mind. When you are not specifying the border attribute to the table, only your data will be shown. There will be no border of table. So it is mandatory to use in every table. It is mandatory to use border equal to 1. At least 1 you give it, so that you can get the border. Otherwise, there will be no border, only data will be there. You cannot predict this data is single one or double one. Okay, so I must have to use here border equal to 1. Okay, now I'm going to explain first of all these all attributes, and then I will show you a simple table containing the data. Border is clear to everyone? Now, next one is the border color. Suppose I am drawing the table, you see. This one is the border, my dear. Okay, the thickness of the border will be increased by the help of border attribute. Yes, I am using one. I want flat border, then I will give big number. And I am creating like that. Okay, next one is your border color. The border will be made. See, your border will be made. Suppose I have a specified border as 11. Okay, my border has become flat. Now, what the color you want to specify for your border? That will be specified by which attribute? Border color. Next one is the basic color. I hope you all are knowing the basic color and background, because this part already you have used in the body tag. Basic color to set the background color. Just now you see the board. Board having which color as a background? White. And what is the foreground color? Black. Okay. Same here also I can specify. If I want my number 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, having the data and that data should have some background color change. I can specify yellow. Yellow means this one yellow, 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 all that. If you want all, then here you specify. But I don't want to specify for all cells. I want to specify only for one. Then when you are using DB1/80, then you have to specify the basic color. But here I am using for my entire one, for all one. So if I use basic color equal to yellow, every one cell will have the background color yellow. Now, next one is the background. If you want your image, your picture should be set for everyone as the background. Suppose your scenery. You want to cover your scenery, yes, to your background of your table, you can do it. For that, you have to give your path. Yes, complete path. Okay, so that the picture can be inserted as the background. So, I hope this also you have understood, my dear. So, now students, the next topic is cell spacing and cell padding. See, here it is going to work on the cell. Okay. Now, what is cell spacing? If you want to have space between the cell and cell. Now, first of all, you have to know how you can specify a space between the cells. See, I'm showing here. Suppose this is my and this is my cell. Now, students, when I'm talking about the cell space, what I say in the definition is between the cells and space between cells and water. You see, this is the space between the cells. But here, this one is space between cells and water of the table. So, whatever the space that you will define, my dear, that same space will be followed everywhere. If I specified here 5, then 5 will be here also, here also, here also. Every side you will get 5. Why? Because I am specifying this space for my table. Clear? This is called cell spacing. Now, what is cell padding? Cell padding works inside the cell. That is, suppose this is my cell. Now, cell padding says that what will be the distance between your text and the border of the cell? See, if this is my cell, then it is a border. And if I have written 1, it says that what the distance you want to keep between your text and the border of the cell. If I specify here 2, then 2 space will be here, here, and 80. Okay, here also say 2. If I have written 9, then 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. Okay, everywhere you will have 2. It is not only for an individual cell, it is for your entire one. I'm showing you in big. Okay. I'm showing this one in big so that you also can see. This is my table border. These are the cells. Now, I am giving you one example of this cell, which I am showing here in big. Okay. If I maintain 5 here and I want the space between my value and the cell bond, then I will go for cell padding attribute. If I define 10, then 10 will be here also. That 10 is not the number, 10 is the space. 10 space will be for here, here, and there. It will not be implemented only in this cell. It will be implemented here also, and the last cell also. Okay. So what you understood the difference between the cell spacing and cell padding. Cell spacing gives space between the cells and cells with the border. Cell padding define space or give distance, yes, between the cell value and the border of the cell. What the distance that you want to maintain between the cell value and the cell pad border, that you can do by the help of cell padding. Okay, I am writing a small program. Using this, you can understand what is cell spacing, cell padding, and how you can apply the busy color background or border color. One thing, keep it in mind. Busy color and background cannot work, yes, in the same HTML document for your table. If you will use busy color, background will not appear. So out of two, any one you have to set it. So I have used border one. Same way you want to use border color, you will extend it. Busy, you can extend it. So you can use these all attributes, and after that you can use the angular bracket. Okay. But I want my border should be 2 and busy color should be red. Okay. Only this part. Okay. I want to specify the cell spacing and cell padding. So that also you can specify cell spacing equal to 20, cell padding equal to 30. Okay. Now you all know how to create the table. First you think, if I am talking about this table, which contains value 1, 2, 3, 4, then what I will do it, I will use the first row, and first row contains how many letters, how many cells, 2 cells. So what I will do is, I am clicking my camera now. Okay. Now what I will do here, I will use TD 1/TD, TD 2/TD, and slash. My first row containing the 2 columns already done by this coding. Okay. Same way you can use for the other one also. TR, TD 3/TD, TD 4/TD, and then /TR, and then /table. Okay. And now same way you can use /40 and /element. Now, see student, what changing that you are going to see in your table? First, it will have a border size 2. Background color of this one will be entire red. Cell spacing. That means between this it will have 20 spaces. 20 spaces. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Everywhere you will have 20. Cell padding 30 says that between one and the border of the cell will have space 30, that is in top way, left way, right way and bottom way. Same way it will be implemented for 2 also, 3 also and 4 also. And other already you have understood. I hope you have understood these all topics, my dear.